Ready?
To do the any type of test automation, again, let's get started. To do the any type of automation, any, right? Automation is something machine is doing for you. You are just you are just telling the machine what to do. It's a Cypress. It is a library of the node.js, one of the package, basically. You have to know the programming language. So Cypress is based on the JavaScript. We are not going to dedicatedly spend our time on JavaScript today. We will have actually not another, there will be 2 crash courses separately, dedicatedly for the JavaScript. In those 2 crash courses, we will be covering the fundamental of the JavaScript and the core programming of JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language that is used for the web development, backend, frontend, mobile, and the test automation. So for today's, we are going to use the JavaScript for the Cypress automation. Again, presenting our team. The team is going to do the hands-on. I'll be actually talking so that nobody gets stressed out. Everybody has a like the balance as you are presenting. You should be able to ask the questions, and of course we are going to record the small video, and we'll be actually combining them, and we'll be actually uploading on the website and the YouTube, so anybody in the community around the US, around the world, can take the advantage. This is our promise to provide our practical hands-on activities, sharing with everybody. Okay, thank you.